Hi guys, let me show you how to design a bridal dress like a pro.
I have lots of Veekee James fans on my channel, and I know that, right? That is why I am not slacking on this one. So I brought this to you again to learn from. So like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll know that I'll always be giving you nice updates about your lover Veekee James. My name is Winifred and you're welcome to the channel of beautiful people. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. So before you can think of making a bridal dress at all, you should get your cupped corset ready, and this is Veekee James signature corset that is right on this mannequin. And then she used a silk fabric. As you all know, silk fabric is always very light, and then she went ahead to do that stylish pattern on the front, and then she used a sequin fabric to make the lace placement, and then she did another design on the front part using a circle flay. All right, and then she went ahead to add feathers and beads and everything. She made everything look creative, so this part made it very significant. And then she went ahead to drape. See how she held that draping? For some of you that don't know how to drape, you can just pick your cloth at one point and let it fall, as in let it fall before attaching it to the dress. It will give your dress a very beautiful look. So this was the final look of the dress. Now you know that the upper part was a circle flare, and she put feathers on top of it, and then she went ahead to beat the whole of the rest of the parts of the fabric. But the main thing that she used that made it very busy like this is because of the sequin fabric that she used, and it ended up becoming very beautiful. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned one or two from this video. Like my videos, share and subscribe so you don't miss out on any tutorial or any Veekee James updates or any fashion update that I'll be sharing in the future. Thank you, and till I see you in my next video, I love you and I care. Bye.